Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll take a look at how to create brand new images using Google's text to image tool called Nano Banana. Yes, that is the name. To use that to get started, all you have to do is go to gemini.google.com and you'll have access to Nano Banana. All you have to do is either click this, try image editing, or from the tools over here, you just click on create images. And then you have to type in your prompt and then hit enter. And in just a few moments, it will create a brand new image for you.
A few moments later.
There you go. So Gemini has now created an image for me which matches the prompt that I gave it, which, in fact, it looks pretty accurate. And that's it really. That's how simple it is to create images using Nano Banana. Now let's see if I want to edit this image. I can just download this image, by the way. I can just click here and it downloads a full size image. So if I click on this, and there you go. That is the image, and it is pretty good resolution as well. So that is cool. Now if I do want to update the image, I can just type in another prompt and hit enter.
A few moments later.
Wow, there you go. Just like that, I've added it. I've asked it to add a green meteorite falling in the background, and it has done just that. Now I can always keep refining this image as and when I like it, and it will keep generating the image for me. Now let's see what it can do with a photo that I've uploaded. So if I click on upload files and upload this photo that I downloaded from Unsplash, and maybe add a different prompt. So I've given this very random prompt. Let's see what the image turns out.
A few moments later.
And this is the image that it has produced. And as you can see, actually, this is really accurate. It has actually kept the original character, the person, in the generated image. It has added the dog, and it has added the correct situation in the background as well. So, I mean, look, this is really a cool tool that I reckon you guys must try out. This was just a quick video to get you started, but do feel free to try out as many prompts as you like, and let me know in the comments below what sort of images you have tried out, what sort of prompts you've tried out, and how it went for you, how it turned out for you. All right, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a like. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also write down in the comments about what your prompt was and how it turns out, and stay tuned for more videos to come on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.